my class, in this video, it is going to be an instructional video of me explaining step-by-step instructions on how to complete this assignment. So let's begin. The first step is to go to my website, and if you are watching this video, you are most likely there at the moment. And if not, I have put on the screen the link to my website. And in my website, you're going to want to go to the Subject Matter tab right there. And in the Subject Matter tab is where you are going to find all of the information you will need to complete this assignment. The second step is to take the first quiz, and the first quiz is linked on my website in the Subject Matter tab. And so for the first quiz, you are going to have to take it all the way through, and you are going to have to receive a final score of 11 out of 11, or 100%. And once you receive this score out of 11 out of 11, you are then going to have to either screenshot with a phone or use the snipping tool on your computer to somehow take a picture of your quiz so I can see that you have completed it and gotten a 100 on it. And then you are going to have to upload that image onto a Word document. As you can see in the image, I have my name on the assignment with the first screenshot of the quiz with the score of 11 out of 11. For the fourth step, you are going to have to read the article that is linked on my website as well. All you have to do is click on the little button that says article, and it will take you right there, and you have to read the entire article. It is very important that you do, because you are going to need it for the next step. So the fifth step is then to take the second quiz that is obviously linked on my website. All you have to do is click the Quiz 2 button, and it will take you there. And again, with the quiz, you are going to have to receive a perfect score of 10 out of 10 or 100% for it to count for the assignment. And then again, you are going to have to take a screenshot of that quiz somehow with a score of 11 out of 11 and upload this image onto the Word document. Again, as you can see in the image, I have quiz 1 with the screenshot, quiz 2 with the screenshot of the score of 100%. And then the seventh step is then to watch the video that is on my website. I have put an arrow right here to show you what it looks like. Beyond the Story of American Women During World War II. Please watch that video, because you are going to need to do something with that video as well. So then after you watch that video over women in the workforce during World War II, you need to write at least a paragraph of a brief summary over the video. In the paragraph, I will be looking for specific examples from the clip, and also an explanation as to why what these women did was important for the war efforts during this time. And the ninth step is you need to write another paragraph. So after writing the first paragraph, the last step is to write one more paragraph or so, explaining and incorporating what you learned and tying what you learned into the first 2 quizzes that you took. So please tell me about some of the women you learned about. Tell me what their roles were and if they received any recognition for their work during that time period. And the last thing you need to do is just email me the assignment, and I have attached 2 images, and so here's what your end assignment should look like. You should have a document with your name on it. You should have a quiz 1 screenshot of a score of 100%. You should have a quiz 2 screenshot of a score of 100%, and then you should have the 2 paragraphs also. Good luck, have fun, and I am looking forward to your emails.